How to choose a song in the Instagram story. This is what we are going to talk about today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, this helps a lot. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, click on the Instagram. As you click on the Instagram, go to your story option. As you go to your story option, select any picture or take any picture that you want to put on your story. I'm going to select this picture. Now after selecting the picture, I'm going to go on the stickers option up above. As I click on the stickers option, I have to go down below on the questions option, in which there is a question icon, question sticker that I can apply. I'm going to click on the question sticker. After I have clicked on the question sticker, there will be a musical icon down with the font option. So you can click on the musical option, and now you can ask somebody to tell you a song to listen. So this is how you can do this. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and also hit the like button. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Thanks and have a nice day.